Hi, I'm Mike Smith with MDS Success Academy, and this is week 8 of my starting an affiliate marketing program. So give you an update of what has happened. There's two things. We've kind of split off. We're still doing the Partner with Anthony affiliate marketing, but we're kind of refocusing instead of creating so many other affiliate marketing programs and such, because I can't come out and say right now to you that I make $2,000 a month. And I'm kind of putting that as a threshold before I have it figured out, that I can go out to someone else and say, hey, I can show you how to make $2,000 a month. So until I do that, I'm gonna stick with what I know. And first off is I know Partner with Anthony program works because it's helped me to understand the affiliate marketing or online business. Now I'm going to continue down that road. I'm going to continue sending traffic to those websites. And if you're watching this, maybe you've gone through one of my links and you've discovered the information is valuable, like I did, from Anthony and such. That's great. So we're maybe both working on the same path and we can help each other. So while I'm doing that, while I'm testing websites, funnels, things like that, I'm also learning more about how to write better copy, how to write better funnels, testing all those things out so I can scale my business and get to that $2,000 a month. The other path is I'm going to work on email marketing, really work on my copy and building my relationships and such with my list. And so that's a direct relationship of the solo ads that I'm sending to my Partner with Anthony sites. I'm collecting those emails, and then I'm trying to build a relationship with those people who are on my list. And so that is the two-pronged approach. So what have I done this week? Well, this past week I cloned the two copies or cloned the Partner with Anthony funnel into two different funnels. And why I'm doing that is because I want to send traffic from different solo ad vendors to each of them so I can see how the two sites work. And what I have found is when you do a solo ad, it doesn't perform as well if Anthony's name and pictures and everything is all over it. If you're part of the program, you have web funnel sites version 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is what the 5 biggest ones that are working right now for Anthony. And what I found is when I sent traffic initially to those, just indiscriminate, I bought, I think after session 7, you get all the sites up and the links and everything, and I just went ahead and bought 200 clicks from solo ads. And I think I got about just under 20%, about minimum of what you want to get, not the greatest. And I talked to the vendor about it, why he thought it was so low. And he said, because you have a brand name on there, it kind of turns people off. So I took one of them, version 4, and I stripped the Partner with Anthony information, his picture, and just had a simple message saying, hey, do you want to learn about a program, how to make money online, and give us your email. Really a low bar. So when people clicked on the solo ad, they went to this, and I found I got a much higher conversion rate for that. So that's the first thing. I mean, you know, you're buying clicks from these solo ads. And the next thing is when people click on the ad, they end up on your opt-in site. You want to optimize that opt-in site as best you can so it entices them to put in their email address. And that's what I've done is, so I've gone from 20%, so out of 100 clicks, I got 20 people, to I'm up around 40% now. So now I'm getting 40 people for every 100 clicks. And I think that's pretty damn good that we're increasing. And that's, you know, once you have everything in place, you start optimizing and tweaking to get that 5, 6, 7, 8 more percent. Because every time it builds your list bigger, and then you start working on your email list, which is the next step that I'm working on, is how do I get more people to click on my emails just to open them. So step one, it's all a step process. It's all testing. You know, how can we get them to open your email? And that's based on your subject line. So I'm testing different subject lines. And then once they open it and they read it, how can I get them to click? So higher percentage open, then working on a higher percentage of clicking. And that will ultimately get me enough people coming by the site and seeing it again and again and again. And eventually they're going to be intrigued. You know, a lot of times people click on emails, they're not ready for an affiliate marketing program, not even close. And they see that and they go, no, and they just delete it. Though there will come a time, just like me, I got those emails all the time for years. And it just, at the right moment, I was ready to try affiliate marketing. And that's when I saw the Partner with Anthony video. It intrigued me enough to put my email. I watched the video. I thought there was enough value there to continue on with the $7 a month, and then just kept on going from there. So that's why you have an email list. Not everyone's going to open, but we're always working to get more people to open than last time. And then eventually we'll work on more people gets the clicks. So that is really what I worked on in week 8. Testing more traffic, working on my message, and we did actually get 2 sales. That's awesome. So I think since I started, I've gotten 25 sales, and by far I've never had anything. I mean, I've spent thousands of dollars and gotten nowhere near this. So I'm happy with that, but I'm only happy because my bar was so incredibly low. Now I want to work to bring it up because, like I said, I'm trying to get to 2,000 a month. And as soon as I do, I will be able to show you that. So I appreciate you hanging in there to the end. It always helps me if you could like and subscribe this video. Leave a comment below. Tell me how I'm doing. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to sign up, in my description, there is a link to sign up with the Partner with Anthony. I would love for you to sign up, get on my email list, and let's make a connection, and let's see if we can't be successful together. So until next time, to your success.